Hi, everyone. How are you? If you're here, it's because, like me, you're looking for a natural ally to achieve the body of your dreams and a healthier life. I know how difficult it is to fight the scale, try restrictive diets that don't work in the long run, and feel frustrated with the results. But believe me, there is an age-old secret that can change your life: apple cider vinegar. Folks, apple cider vinegar is not just a salad dressing, it's a true gift from nature. It acts on our bodies in many ways, helping to control appetite, reduce bloating, and even improve digestion. I was amazed myself when I started researching the subject. I discovered that apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic acid, which has incredible properties for our health. And best of all, it's natural and accessible. I know you must be asking yourselves, but does it really work? And the answer is, it works. I am living proof of that. I've been in your shoes, folks. I've tried everything to lose weight, but nothing worked, until I decided to give apple cider vinegar a chance. I started using it every day, and the results were incredible. I feel so much lighter, more energetic, and my self-esteem is through the roof. And best of all, I was able to lose weight in a healthy way, without going hungry, and without depriving myself of the things I like. Now, you must be curious to know how to use apple cider vinegar correctly, right? It's super simple. The ideal dose is 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, diluted in water or other foods. I like to drink a glass of water with apple cider vinegar first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. But you can use your creativity and add apple cider vinegar to salads, dressings, smoothies, and even some culinary preparations. It is important to choose a good quality apple cider vinegar, preferably organic and unfiltered, to ensure all the benefits. To maximize the results of apple cider vinegar, it is essential to combine its use with healthy habits. Drink plenty of water, maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and legumes, and exercise regularly. And be careful. If you have any pre-existing health conditions, such as gastritis or ulcers, consult a doctor before starting to use apple cider vinegar. Folks, I am sure that apple cider vinegar can be your ally in the journey of weight loss and life transformation. It is a natural, accessible, and powerful ingredient that can help you achieve the body of your dreams and a healthy life. Try including apple cider vinegar in your routine and feel the difference. I am sure you will not regret it. So, folks, did you like the video? If you liked it, leave your like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips. Leave your questions and experiences with apple cider vinegar in the comments. I will love to interact with you and know what you thought of this video. Remember, change starts now. Take the first step towards a healthier and happier life with apple cider vinegar.
Attention! Lose weight quickly and healthily with Nagano Tonic, a revolutionary 100% natural powdered supplement that aids in weight loss and the elimination of excess fat. Inspired by the traditional health practices of Nagano, Japan, Nagano Tonic is your solution for a lighter and healthier body. Check out the official Nagano Tonic website. I'll leave the link in the first pinned comment. Visit now and discover all the benefits of Nagano Tonic.